Rich work terbang atas langit, tapi jangan takut jatuh bila nak mula mendarat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat.
Hai Puan Kalai.
Hai Tuan.
Hai, dengar?
Dengar.
Alright, okay. Kita akan bermula sebentar lagi. So, good luck Puan.
Thank you so much.
Alright, okay.
Hai Kalai.
Hai Dok. My heart dah jatuh luar.
Jangan jatuh dulu, kita ada one-on-one.
This is the moment I waited for 3 years, Dok. Can I share a bit my moment? How?
Go ahead.
So 2,500 I attend MMM masa tu. I still remember. And then masa tu saya duduk belakang sekali. And then I niat one day I will sit in front Titan. I three years before that same day I decide, and I think now I already the process already dah.
You are.
Yes. Lepas MMM saya start saya punya produk sendiri. Saya ambil dari orang, saya start. After MMM the next day I start with a product sendiri. Saya start je lah. Lepas tu I made a very big mistake in my life, which is give me a very big lesson. After this, I won't do the mistake in my life again. I choose a wrong mentor. Then, until saya gadai saya punya emas nak bayar dia punya mentor, then I say I make a decision, is this a wrong decision? Then I say, sorry, I want to drop because I cannot see any improvement. Then I apply for Spire. Spire seriously a transformation, Doc. After I applied Spire, saya punya sales drastic growth.
Naik ke berapa?
Sales in one masa like 1 bulan macam tu saya punya sales terlalu increase lah, Doc. After join Spire only 93. Before that is 70 something.
Okay, so it went up to 93 and then?
And then February 119,000. 100,000 increase in 1 month.
Okay.
And then the March is MCO time is 121,000.
Okay.
April 169,000.
Wow.
And May 296,000.
Wow. Seriously?
And this month June 522,000.
This crazy, Kalai.
And I decide June mesti saya mau join Titan, and exactly June I masuk Titan.
Amazing.
Dari segi kewangan memang banyak. Dulu saya nak spend pun saya kira sangat. Okay, RM30. Breakfast RM30 lah kita kena jimat. Tapi sekarang tak ada. Saya boleh beli semua orang breakfast. Saya punya staff semua saya beli breakfast. Lepas tu pergi kedai saya yang bayar. Semua saya, I tak kira. Dalam tu saya ada berapa saya tak kira. Memang kalau you suka happy, saya belanja macam tu. So dari segi kewangan, I feel like so confident. Saya tak kira. Dulu saya kira, oh ini kita kena simpan. Tapi this moment, I enjoy the moment. Saya kena belanja, saya kena belanja for my children. Kalau nak beli toys pun dulu saya kira, alah toys 2 hari dia orang mesti pecah lah, tak payah belilah, rugi. Tapi sekarang I know the moment, the 2 hours they're playing is the moment I'm paying the money for the moment for them, not the toys, the moment I'm paying for the moment. So I change thinking a lot of different stuff.
I want to change your target first. What's your target?
For 2020?
Yeah.
Initially it was 2 million. But after I joined Titan, it's 7 million.
I think you can do 10.
Oh.
Yeah.
Seriously, Doc?
Yeah. I teach you how to calculate. Very easy.
Okay, Doc. 100%, Doc.
Okay?
Definitely. I will come out with the August 1 million sister.
Okay, come. The picture.
One more time. Thank you so much, Doc. Thank you so much. After I meet you with 1 million sales, Doc.
Of course. See you in ICM.
Thank you so much, Doc. Have a nice day, great day. Thank you so much, Doc.
Terbang atas langit, tapi jangan takut jatuh bila nak mula mendarat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat. bekalan semangat, bekalan semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalan semangat. Bekalan semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalan semangat.